Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about different type of PTZ cameras. We are going to tell you about 5 to 6 different PTZ cameras. We are going to give you the information on how it can be used, where it can be used, and we are going to give a tentative idea on the price part as well. So if you are looking for any cameras, especially in the PTZ part, into the classrooms or the video conferencing rooms, probably this is the best video you will find on the YouTube. So please stay tuned with us and like, subscribe our videos if you love it. So we start with the PTZ camera, and the lowest part is Ekin 11300 PTZ camera. This is the PTZ camera where the resolution is full HD. Normally full HD PTZ camera is more than sufficient for a classrooms or a video conferencing room. Then it has the optical zoom. See, it has an optical zoom. It is different than a digital zoom. So when you are when it is taking the picture, the quality of the picture is very good in case of optical zoom. So we are only talking about very limited parameters. We are not going to confuse you with too many parameters. So optical zoom, it is having a 3 and 10x optical zoom. I'll show you the camera here only. So this is the Ekin PTZ camera, you can see. Right? So it has a RS-232 in and out. Then there's a 485. This is for the normally for if you want to have more than few camera connected with each other, and then USB 2. So simplest format, USB 2 connect with your computer and start a virtualization of the classrooms or a video conferencing room. You can use this. So this is the minimum camera available in the market, which is having a USB 2 connectivity, best for the classroom, huddle room, even for the recording studios. If you have that, you can use this type of PTZ camera, Ekin 1130. Approximately the price of this camera is 50,000 rupees, and it comes with normally whatever you need inside to start it. Say you have a remote control, you have a power adapter to connect the power, and then you have a USB cable. So normally plug and play, you don't need anything extra if you are buying Ekin 1130. So apart from them, then we have a second camera, which is 1100. The most sold camera, I would say, in India from our side is Ekin 1100. Most of the studios across different part of the countries are using this. We have more than few thousands classrooms or a video conferencing room using this type of camera. Very, very popular camera. So what it has is a full HD resolutions. Normally you don't need more than a full HD resolution inside a VC room or a classrooms. Optical zoom, we have option of 5x, 10x, 12x, 20x optical zoom. So there are different type of options available as far as optical zoom is concerned. And then it has a wonderfully interfaces USB 2, USB 3, LAN, RS-232, HDMI. These are the interface available. So you have a USB available. So there are some computers, some laptop does not support more than that. You have a USB 3, right? So better quality and better frames. We have HDMI as well, LAN as well. Then we have a power connectivity. Power adapter can be connected. So this is the best model available in India, I would say, and these 3 ports can work simultaneously. So you can have a this USB 3 connected on the computer. At the same time, HDMI out can also be given to a TV. So this interfaces can be used simultaneously. So this is the camera. Once again, LAN is given here. LAN is given so that you can control. You can, if you have any joystick or something like that, you can control from the LAN. It has a firmware inside it, that which can be used from anywhere and can be controlled. So this camera can be controlled. Once again, you have the option here is audio port is optional. So if you want to do a live streaming directly without using any computer, you can use this type of camera. We can remove this one. We have another options. We can remove USB 2 and give you audio port. From there, it can take a mic input and can do a live streaming. So this is possible with this 1100 UP PTZ camera, and we have few thousand already sold in the market. So where you can use it? Classroom, huddle room, recording studios. More or less, even in some temples, they are using this type of camera for a live streaming. We have auditorium where they are using this type of camera for the streaming or a recording purpose. The price is very, very, reasonable. Around 1 lakh rupees is the price, and with that you get almost everything: remote, power adapter, USB cables, different type of USB cables are available. So this is 1100 PTZ camera. Next is 1180. Since once again, you see, their technologies are changing very fast. So what we have here is a different technologies available, and that is called voice tracking technologies. So the beauty of this camera is, PTZ camera is, it is a voice tracking PTZ camera. So what we have here is, it comes in the 10x zoom, so 10x optical zoom, right? It has a USB 2.0 and RS-232. Then definitely you have a power adapter, this power plug for the adapter. It can be used the huddle room. See, the beauty of this PTZ camera is, it has a 4 mic, 1, 2, 3, 4 mic, and it is a voice tracking. So if you put it inside the classrooms, inside a huddle room, it will track the voice and automatically move itself to that voice. So if one person is speaking, it will track the voice, it will identify from where the voice is coming, and it will move itself to that person. So that is the beauty about this PTZ camera. The price is very reasonable, 60K, and it comes with probably almost all required, like a remote control, you have a power adapter, USB. So whatever is required inside the classrooms, you have everything on this, right? This is a new technologies which is available. With Ekin, we are giving this type of product. Ekin 1180 is the model number. Then we have you can see a big brother of the same model. The difference is, it has the quality of this is much better. It has a better options as far as port is concerned. You can see it has all HDMI port, it has a USB port, it has a RS-485, then RS-232, definitely then it has a power and line out as well. So these are different type of options available. Once again, this is also a voice tracking camera, which is coming in the 12x. Then it can be used in huddle room. So if you have a 10-12 person inside a conference or a huddle room, you can use this type of voice tracking camera. You don't need a mic. As I mentioned, mics comes along with this. The distance of the mic from where it can capture is 10 meter. So around 8 to 10 meter, it can capture the voice and move automatically to that voice, to that person, and comes with almost whatever is needed to start it: remote control, power adapter, and all these things. So next is 1200, Ekin 1200. It is a 4K auto tracking camera. Unfortunately, we don't have that camera available with us, probably, but okay, we can show you here how it looks like. This is a 4K auto tracking camera. And beauty is, once again, it is a different flavor of the camera, because it can auto track. So it is a PTZ camera. Whenever you are moving, be it in a classroom or auditorium, it will start tracking you automatically. You can select it manually through the remote, or it will select whoever the first person comes in front of the camera, it will select and start moving with the person. So if person is moving left and right, it will start moving with that. It will, as soon as person is stopped, is not doing anything or is not moving, that will zoom that person. So that is the auto tracking camera we have. That comes in the 12x and 20x zoom, right? HDMI and different type of interfaces are there. HDMI, LAN, USB. The best part is it has an audio port, so you can do a complete Facebook or YouTube live can be done with that camera. So if you, in a typical scenario, if you have a auditorium and you want to do a live streaming and without interface of without requirement of an operator, you can do with this. Or into the bigger universities where the classroom size is big, and the faculties is moving for 25-30 feet. So whenever they are moving, probably that stage, it will start tracking that faculty automatically. So it does not require any operator inside the classroom and auditorium, right? The cost is around 1.5 lakh rupees, and it is as far as new technology is concerned, it is the latest one and is a hot technology available in range of 4K camera with Ekin. Then we have a 1240. So this is a 1240 is, we have two flavor. One is definitely this type of 4K camera which comes in the 12x. It is in the HDMI, LAN, USB. These are the most of the common ports are there, and it is giving a USB and HDMI connected with the computer. Then you have a LAN. Why you need a LAN is once again to connect and control the camera from the remote, and the cost is 1.25. So it's giving a very clear picture, especially a lot of export house who are doing a video conferencing. They buy this type of camera, or you can use it inside the conference room. So we have shown you 5, 6 different type of cameras right now. These cameras probably, as far as in PTZ and new technology is concerned, the best technologies available we have shown you. If you want to know more about that, in the description part, we'll add the demo of the product, how it looks like, what are the output of this type of cameras. So friends, if you like our videos, please subscribe us.